station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Achoo!
Thanks. Achoo! Huh. Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes! It's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not gonna bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia. Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders.
Whoa! That looks great, Blippi!
Yeah! Now all that's left to do is make the horn sound like a brontosus. Brontosus? Brown?
Let's sound it out.
Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus.
Awesome! Stupendous! Perfection! Oh, wait. I don't think this book has a section on dinosaur sounds.
I wonder, where can we find more books about dinosaurs?
Oh, I know. Let's try the library.
Great idea, Babble.
Look.
The Brontomobile is ready for adventure. All right.
Yeah, books! Shh. Sorry.
Whoa. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs.
Hi, I'm Katie the Caterpillar, here for any of your library needs. And I'm Babble. Oh my, a whole section of balloon animals? I love books so much.
Hey, Katie, can you help us find the dinosaur books?
Of course I can help. Wait for me. I want to come too. Ah!
Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Yikes!
Welcome to the travel book section! Fish!
Oh no! Katie!
Thanks, Blippi! Look! We've reached the fiction section! Oh! Fiction means the stories are make-believe!
Look out! Whoa!
How to ride a bike? Where is how to ride a library card? And there's non-fiction! Non-fiction means the stories are real! Over there are books about magic! And wild animals! And fire trucks! Dinosaurs! To the left!
Whoa! A whole section on dinosaurs? Shh. Sorry. Hey, Tabs, can you help me carry these, please? Dinosaurs from A to Z, the biggest roar and more, my friend the Triceratops. Hey, Babble, do you think I have too many books about dinosaurs?
You could never have too many books. Excellent choices.
Thanks for your help, Katie. And I got the answer to my question. Where can I find more books about dinosaurs? At the library. Yeah. Upload answer tabs.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Yeah! Whoa! Bouncy sand dune! And even bouncier! Wow, what an amazing sandcastle! Wave incoming! Oh no! Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh. I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle on my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my Blippi Mobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
That's right, Debo. These cookies are for Santa when he drops off our presents tonight. Good question, Debo. I wonder, how does Santa know where we live? Hey, wait up!
Very important, very important.
Oh, hey, little bot. What's your name?
I'm Snowbo.
Hey, Snowbo. It's me, Blippi. And this is Debo. Are you lost?
Very important, very important.
Don't worry, Snowbo. Debo and I will help you find your way home. I think Debo found something. Come on, Snowbo, let's go. Looks like there's no path. I guess we'll have to get down the fun way. Sledding!
Very important, very important.
Follow that bot!
Very important, very important.
Whoa, yeah! Let's try and get closer, Debo! Debo! Snowbo! Are you both okay?
Very important, very important.
What is it, Snowbo? Whoa! Yeah! Oh no! Snowbo! We gotta catch her. Come on, Debo! Whoa!
Very important, very important.
Snowbo! Debo! Oh no! Debo! Phew! Whoa, got you! You silly little bot! Whoa! Have you ever seen such a Christmassy house? Whoa!
Snowbo, it's you! I was so worried about you.
Hey, Santa! It's me, Blippi, and this is Debo!
Oh, hello, Blippi and Debo. Thank you so much for helping me find my Snowbo. She has a very important job to do tonight.
Very important.
Snowbo helps power my new sleigh. Without Snowbo, I wouldn't be able to deliver presents to the children all over the world.
Santa, I was wondering, how do you know where everyone lives?
It's magic. Ho, ho, ho!
Whoa! I got the answer to my question. How does Santa know where we live? It's magic! Upload answer, Debo.
Would you like a ride?
We'd love a ride!
Buckle up, because here we go!
Whoa! Yeah!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs! That bouncy castle is out of this world! I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs. We can go to the moon and find out. I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs.
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore. The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up!
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here! I never knew I could have been having so much fun!
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer, Tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky.
Keep on bouncing, Blippi.
Whoa!
Wow, Barry, you make painting look so fun.
It is fun, Mika.
Whoa! I want to try that. Not quite what I pictured in my head.
That looks great, Blippi. Remember, there are no mistakes in art.
It's Bowie!
Oh, hey! How you doing, Blippi crew?
Wow, rainbows are the coolest. We should paint a rainbow next.
Oh, what a great idea! Hey, I love this guy.
I wonder, how do you paint a rainbow when you only have red, yellow, and blue?
Oh, 3 colors is all we need. I'll be right back. Come on, Debo.
Oh, I gotta do a quick appearance in New Zealand, but I'll be back to check out your paintings.
Bye-bye, Bowie. Wow!
What's that?
It's the Paint Mixer 5000. It's gonna help us make a rainbow. Are you ready, Debo? It's mixing time. Whoopsie! Wrong button.
Whoa, Debo! You're orange now.
But how did red and yellow make orange?
It's because red and yellow are primary colors, and blue too. When you mix 2 primary colors together, you make a secondary color, like green, orange, and purple.
So cool! Next, let's make green.
You got it. Debo, pour in the yellow and blue. New color coming up. Here we go.
Now all we need for the rainbow is my favorite color, purple.
Maybe if we mix red and blue. We haven't tried that yet.
Now we just need to mix these together.
And shake it up. It's purple!
Yay! Let's go paint that rainbow.
Why just paint a rainbow when you can experience experience a rainbow! Come on, let's go! Ready to experience a rainbow?
Yeah!
Hit it, Debo!
Yeah!
Surf's up!
I love artistic expression!
Oh, wow-wee! Zip, zoom, bang! You made a full rainbow experience! I love it! I truly feel seen.
And I got the answer to my question. How do you paint a rainbow with only red, yellow, and blue? You mix them to make orange, green, and purple. Upload answer, Debo.
Let's party!